Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Recently, Clear Jelly Stamper have released a few new Valentine inspired stamping plates, and I purchased one of them from Nail.supplies, the UK stockist of Clear Jelly Stamper. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-V-14 Dark Heart. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper. I have 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. I'm going to start with the silver nail tip along with 4 stamping polishes. So we have a red, a blue, a black, and then also a white. I'm going to swatch the eye, which is an amazing image, and it's what really sort of drew me to this plate. I'll start with the white first. For most of these swatches I will remove the excess before stamping down. This is just one way I like to work. I'll then come in with the blue. These are some really small, delicate images to create this eye image. Once I've laid the blue, I'll then come in with the black, and this just really pulls the image together and makes it look absolutely stunning. It really does finish the design off. I'm going to use the red for the tear marks, and you can just use one like I am, or you can add both, that's entirely up to you. I'll then outline the tear in black, and again this just finishes it off. I absolutely love this image. The photo swatches I used red instead of the blue, and I have to say it made it look very, very cool. For the next swatch I'll be using a white nail tip along with 3 stamping polishes for this design. A red, a light grey, and again the black. I'll start with the red for the heart. Again, this is another brilliant image. Once I've placed this down, I'll then come in with the light grey. However, I then decided that the light grey wouldn't be seen very well over the white. So, changing my mind, I went with a slightly darker grey. Now, when I went and placed this down, I did actually misjudge the lineup. So it's a little bit skew-iffy. But it doesn't really matter. I'll then come in with the black to add the little extra mark details. I almost use this image in my mani. You could even add the wire heart over the top as well to add even more to this design, but it's another fab image. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with 3 different stamping polishes, a light pink, a purple, and again the black. So I'll start with the light pink for the heart. I think I should have maybe used a brighter pink, but once I've placed that down, I'll then come in with the dark purple for the wings. I did find that I had trouble figuring out where would work best for the wings to be placed, but I only picked up one side at a time. So once I've laid them both down, I will then come in and outline both of the wings. I would personally have liked to have seen a outline for the heart as well. I sort of feel that it's missing off of this design, but once the image has been finished it still looks really good. Not sure how this would look on real nails, as this is quite large. I couldn't get all of the wings onto the nail tip, but there is smaller versions of them as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a grey blue nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a dark grey and again the black. I'll be swatching the large barbed wire image, so I'll start with the light grey for the wire base. When I use images like this one, for lining up I try to aim for scraping and picking up the same area on each design. So if I mainly use the left hand side, I'll use mainly the left hand side on both of them, if that makes any sense. I'll then come in with the black for the little knots and add them to finish this design off. I really do like this over the grey blue background. I really need to find out what colour this is. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-V-14 Dark Heart. Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-V-14 Dark Heart is a brilliant stamping plate from Clear Jelly Stamper, which is for people like myself who don't do Valentines. I've never seen an inspired plate like this before, but I just knew that it had to be in my collection. From Dark Heart I've taken 29 pop stick swatches, but some of them have more than one image on them. And I don't think I've ever used so much red and black for a swatch plate before. For the large swirly design I've taken 3 swatches. One of it is layered, which I just absolutely love. It's what inspired my mani. But I've also done a swatch of each of the layer on their own. You could very easily colour in the sections and it would look fantastic. Now the marble looking designs, I've taken 3 swatches. The green and the gold are the first 2 images from the left hand side of the plate. The blue and silver is the 2 on the right hand side of the plate. The black, red and grey is all of them, which I have to be honest, I'm not a fan of. It didn't look how I had hoped it to look. It sort of looks very messy, but I'll definitely be having a play with them. Now, as I said, I'm not into Valentines, and even though I've been married 17 years this year, it's just another day. And I've wanted a plate like Dark Heart for, well, as long as I've been stamping really. So for me, this plate is just inspired. When I saw Dark Heart, I also saw something else within it though. Halloween. The barbed wire, the bats, the wings, the dripping blood images are just going to be fantastic. So for me, this plate will be used for 2 different occasions throughout the year. I think it's just brilliant. If Dark Heart isn't something you would like for Valentine's, then in the description box is a swatch review video I did featuring CJS-V-14 Show the Love, which I did at the beginning of last year, and it's another fantastic Clear Jelly Stamper stamping plate for Valentine's. So for the mani, I took inspiration from 2 swatches, the layered swirly design and the little hearts. So I've used them along with another image and I just absolutely love it. I've just used a peachy salmon coloured gel polish, and the stamping polishes I've used are a white, a burgundy and a black. And I just, again, love how they all work together. I did add the thorns to the hearts, and once I'd added them, I wasn't sure on them. I sort of feel I should have left them off, that the nails look better without them. But I really like how all the different images came together to create one mani. And I have to say, it's not too Dark Heart either, but I do really like this. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-V-14 Dark Heart. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.